And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a quick mix to see if the color's right, and then we're gonna come back into this one. It's definitely a unique experience, so I think that that brings a lot of excitement and value. My name is Berto White, and I am the area manager for Buff City Soap. Buff City Soap is an artisanal soap makery, so we make everything here in store from products such as coconut oil, palm oil, and olive oil. We definitely are one of a kind in the aspect that we offer full customizations in our products. So we offer soap making classes, bath bomb parties where you can come in and select the ingredients that you want in your soap. It can be as exfoliating and moisturizing as you would like. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add your exfoliant. Individuals are able to come in, and what they do is they select scents from the scents that we have in store, any additives, exfoliants. They're able to create their own soaps. We walk them through the process with a one-on-one basis to ensure that the soap is made just like you see in front of you. They end up with 6 bars of soap with the clots. The most unique thing about it is that we make it here in store, the full customizations. We have the opportunity to be as creative as we'd like. We do lotion bars, body butters, shower oils. Our shea bars are extremely popular because they have additional shea in addition to the oils that I mentioned. Ironically, I think that with the pandemic, more people are kind of into self-care, and with limitations, they're taking full advantage of the opportunities to indulge in items such as bath care, essential needs. We have seen a lot of growth come from that because they find it pleasing and relaxing. This location is a super central location for us. We definitely love the neighborhoods, being involved in the school systems, and the community has been amazing. Thank you so much. Y'all have a great day.